This is how you divide in 3 simple steps. Here we have 36 divided by 3. So step 1, we have to multiply. 3 times what is going to give us 3 or as close to 3 as possible? You're right, 3 times 1. So 3 times 1 is 3. What is step 2? Subtract. 3 minus 3 is 0. And step 3, bring down. We bring down the 6. Now all we have to do is repeat the process all over again. 3 times what is going to give us 6? 3 times 2. So 3 times 2 is 6. Step 2, we subtract and we get 0. So 36 divided by 3 is 12. Now we have 52 divided by 4. Now let's look at our steps. Step 1, multiply. 4 times what is going to give us 5? 1. 4 times 1 is going to give us 4. And step 2, we have to subtract. 5 minus 4 gives us 1. And step 3 is bring down. And now we repeat the process all over again. So 4 times what is going to give us 12? Well, 4, 8, 12. 4 times 3 equals 12. Step 2, we subtract. 12 minus 12 is 0. And step 3, there's nothing left to bring down. Therefore, the answer is 13. Now we have 294 divided by 6. And it's the same thing. No matter how big the numbers are or small, the steps remain the same, which are multiply, subtract, bring down. So 6 times what is going to give us 2? Well, nothing, because 6 times 1 is 6, and that's way above 2, so it is going to be 6 times 0. 6 times 0 is 0. Step 2, we subtract. 2 minus 0 is 2. Step 3, bring down. We bring down the 9. And now what? Now we repeat the process all over again. 6 times what is going to give us 29? Well, 6, 12, 18, 24. If we keep counting, it'll be way too much. So 6 times 4 is 24. Step 2, we subtract. 9 minus 4 is 5. 2 minus 2 is 0. Step 3, we bring down. And guess what? We go all over again. So 6 times what is going to give us 54? Well, if you know your times tables, 6 times 9 is going to give us 54. So 6 times 9, that's step 1, is going to give us 54. Step 2, subtract, and we're going to get 0. Step 3, there's nothing left to bring down, therefore we are done. 294 divided by 6 is 49. Now we have a 4-digit number divided by a 1-digit number. I know it looks difficult, but before we do so, if you love math and you love learning, go ahead and like and subscribe and share this with all your friends so that they can also become geniuses just like yourself. Alright, so we have our 3 steps. Multiply, subtract, bring down. 3 times what is going to give us 6? 3 times 2 is 6. Step 2, we subtract. We get 0. Step 3, we bring down the 2. And we start the steps all over again. 3 times what is going to give us 2? Well, nothing, right? 3 times 1 is 3. It's too much. So it's going to have to be 0. 3 times 0 is 0. Step 2, we subtract. 2 minus 0 is 2. Step 3, bring down. We bring down the 3. And we start again. 3 times what is going to give us 23? Well, I know that 3 times 7 is 21. Can we get closer? 3 times 8 is 24. No, that's too much. So it has to be 3 times 7. So 3 times 7 is 21. Step 2, we subtract. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. Step 3, we bring down the 7. Now 3 times what is going to give us 27? Well, 3 times 9. 3 times 9 is 27. Step 2, we subtract. 0. We bring down. There's nothing left to bring down. Therefore, the answer is 2079. This next problem is going to be a little bit different, but the steps remain the same. So let's see if you know the steps. What is step 1? Okay, multiply, good. Step 2, subtract. And step 3 would be bring down. Excellent. We use the steps to solve this problem. 4 times what is going to give us 7? Well, 4 times 1. 4 times 1 is 4. Step 2 is subtract. And we get 3. Step 3, bring down. We bring down the 9. Now, we repeat the process all over again. 4 times what is going to give us 39? Well, the closest that we can get is 4 times 9, which is going to give us 36. So 4 times 9 is 36. Step 2, subtract. We subtract, and 9 minus 6 is 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. Step 3, bring down. We bring down the 3. And now 4 times what is going to give us 33, or as close to 33? Well, 4 times 8. So 4 times 8 is 32. We get 1. We did step 2 by subtracting. We get 1, and now we have to bring down, but there's nothing left to bring down. Therefore, that is going to be your remainder of 1. So 793 divided by 4 is 198 with a remainder of 1. Last but not least, we have 673 divided by 6. Step 1. 6 times what is going to give us 6? 6 times 1. Step 2, we subtract. And step 3, we bring down the 7. 6 times what is going to give us 7? Well, 6 times 2 is 12, so it would have to be 6 times 1. So 6 times 1 is 6. Step 2, we subtract. We get 1. Step 3, we bring down. And we repeat all over again. 6 times what is going to give us 13? 6 times 2 is going to give us 12. That's the closest we can get. So 6 times 2 is 12. Step 2, we subtract. And we get 1. Step 3, we bring down. There's nothing left to bring down. Therefore, our remainder would have to be 1. So 112 with a remainder of 1. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you would like to keep learning, check out this video and this video. But before you go, always remember, you are smart, you are loved, and you can do it. Until next time.